Hello guys, welcome back to all. In this video, today we are going to discuss about what is washing soda and how to prepare it, and especially what are the uses of washing soda. All of you know very well what is washing soda. So let me discuss one by one. In the previous video, we discussed that what is the baking soda, right? So what is the baking soda? Baking soda means nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. So this is called baking soda. And now what is washing soda and how to prepare it? Generally, when we are heating this sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. So while heating this baking soda, we get Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. So we get sodium carbonate and water and carbon dioxide. Now this sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is treated with H2O 10 moles of water. We get Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This compound is called washing soda. Is it okay? Washing soda means Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Baking soda means NaHCO3. So like this we can prepare the washing soda, right? So now how to prepare the washing soda. And now let us see what are the uses of this washing soda, uses. It's very important. Generally this washing soda, sodium carbonate, so don't get confused. Washing soda means Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. NaHCO3 means baking soda. Na2CO3 means washing soda, right? And now this washing soda and baking soda, these two chemicals are very useful in industrial process. This is the first use, which means especially these two are very useful in industrial. And also this washing soda is useful in glass, soap, and as well as paper industries, which means multi-purpose. It is useful in the glass industry, soap industry, and as well as paper industry. So that is one of the best use. And it is useful in the manufacture of sodium carbonates compounds such as borax powder. So in case of to prepare some sodium compounds like borax powder, it is useful in the manufacture of borax powder. And also this sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Of course it is used as washing soda and it is used as cleaning agent in the clean washing of clothes. It is used, and it is also useful for the removing permanent hardness of water. So permanent hardness, to remove this permanent hardness of water, this sodium carbonate is useful, very useful. So that is also one of the best use. And here we have to remember one more point. While discussing in case of baking soda, we told that it is a base. In the same way, it is also a basic salt. It's not an acid, it is a basic salt. Both sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, NaH, sodium hydrogen carbonate, these two are bases only. So this is all about washing soda uses. And now let me revise once again what is washing soda and how to prepare it. Washing soda means nothing but Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. In simply we call it as sodium carbonate, right? So sodium carbonate is called washing soda. Baking soda means sodium hydrogen carbonate. While heating this sodium hydrogen carbonate, we get Na2CO3, H2O and carbon dioxide. So again we are taking this Na2CO3 here and treated with 10 moles of H2O, we get Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O. So this is nothing but washing soda. And what are the uses of this washing soda? First of all, we have to know that this NaHCO3 and Na2CO3, these two are especially useful chemicals in the industrial purpose. And also it is used as a cleaning agent in the cleanliness of clothes, and it is useful in the glass industry, soap industry as well as paper industry. And it is also useful in the manufacture of borax powder, which means especially in the compounds which are containing sodium. While preparing the sodium compounds, it is useful as a one of the important agent, and it is used as cleaning agent for the domestic purpose. And also it is useful to remove the permanent hardness of water. To remove the permanent hardness of water, this Na2CO3 is also added. And the important point is it is a basic salt. So this is all about today's class. In the next video, we will discuss some more topics. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me through the comment section. And if you're watching my videos first time, please do subscribe my channel, and thank you all of you.